Students, this is a couple pages in your reference booklet that would be best to get done before class, if at all possible. Taking a look, this is the Unit 1 reference booklet, the first page after the blue section. We're going to do a quick debriefing on the alphabet of geometry. We're going to use our proper symbols to identify a line. So if I want to identify this line, there's a couple ways we can identify it. I can identify it by that lowercase cursive. So I can call it line H. Or I can use any 2 points in the line. I could call the exact same line AC or CB, etc. You only need 2 points to name a line. Array. Array is a portion of a line. So if I were to go like this, that ray starting at C, I would call it ray CB. If we go this way, we would call that ray BC or BA. They're not interchangeable. Unlike a line, order is interchangeable. Segment is just a piece of a line. DC, CD, same thing. A plane, we could either name by the corners, if you have corner points, which we don't, so we're just using this uppercase cursive, call that line J, plane J. All angles, you want to make sure you trace and sweep. So if I want to trace and sweep A, C, D, you go like this. A, go to C, go to D, sweep. And you always sweep at the center letter. Trace and sweep angle DCB. D, go to C, go to B, sweep at that center letter. What's another name for line H? We can give yet another name. We can call it AB. Any 2 letters is fine. Collinear means on the same line, so points A, C, and B are collinear. Non-collinear would be like A, D, C. Non-collinear. However, the points A, D, C are coplanar, which means they are on the same plane. They're non-collinear, not on the same line, but they are on the same plane. A set of non-coplanar points would be like this. G, K, and then F is completely off the plane. G, K, F. Taking a look here. It is very important that you always read with 3 body parts 3 times. So when you read this problem, step number 1, you put your finger here, and you read with your lips moving and your eyeballs. Ready? Finger on the paper. Draw a plane Q with 4 collinear and coplanar points, E, F, G, H. Draw a line EH. Draw a coplanar ray GR intersecting EH at G. Draw a non-coplanar line M intersecting EH at point F. Trace and sweep angle RGE. That's number 1. Number 2, you highlight or underline keywords. Those are your key words. They're descriptive words. And now, as you read again for the 3rd time, you take each phrase and you draw, label list, and cross out. Let me demonstrate. Follow along. Draw a plain Q. You cross it out. We've accounted for Q. 4 collinear and coplanar. They're on the same line and they're on the same plane, E, F, G, H. So they're on the same line and on the plane, same plane, E, F, G, H. It does not matter whether or not which way it's tilted. That doesn't matter. Draw in line EH. We did that. Draw a coplanar, means on the same plane, GR, same letters, same point. So we have a G here. That's an endpoint, R. Does not matter which direction it tilts. Intersecting EH at point G. We took care of that. Draw a non-coplanar line intersecting line EH at point F. Non-coplanar line. That means it's off the plane. That means you have a plane and the line is going to go through the plane, but not on it, through it. The way you represent that in 3D is like this. The line's going to go through, and then it's in 3D so you can't see it from behind and come through the other side. And that is line M. Doesn't matter whether it's here or down here. Trace and sweep the angle RGE. RGE. Trace and sweep.